Alright guys, good morning. It is Friday, April 10th. Heading down the yard for the last day of the week. And just wanted to update you guys because I thought I said maybe 2 videos ago that I had something big going on, crazy, in the personal life. And today's the day it's finally going down. Selling this truck, and it's getting sold today. And I already have my next truck lined up, but I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is until I get it. But it'll be pretty cool once everything works its way into place. I gotta go to my credit union later today and get the title for this because it finally just came in. Bring it to the new owner, get it signed over, do the money transfer, give him the truck, and then from there I gotta reach out to the guy who I'm buying my truck from and orchestrate all that stuff. I really thought buying a new truck was gonna be fun, but then I realized everything in life is just a fucking ass-ache to do. Now I know I'm probably sounding like I'm bitching and moaning. Yeah, I'm still happy I'm getting a new truck. It's just everything takes fucking forever. Like I'll give you guys a slight backstory about this. I paid this truck off about a month ago. I think it was March 3rd was the exact date. I just got the title yesterday. So it took a month and a half almost to get the title. And it's not even my credit union's fault. It's the damn Massachusetts RMV, but who's really shocked about the state dragging their feet on something? Not me. Average anything to deal with the state. Anyways, that's the big surprise. We're doing a small job today, just 3 yards of loom into a backyard, overseeding. Then I gotta run out and grab a fence stock. I think it was 5 line posts, 2 end posts, and then 6 segments, I believe it was, of actual fence. I gotta grab those. We're gonna be doing that on Monday, but I'm just grabbing it. I'm doing like a half day today so that way I can get out and deal with all the finances that are gonna come along with this thing. So yeah, that's what's up. All right guys, good morning. It is April 13th. I think it's a Monday. Well, I know it's a Monday. I just don't know whether it's the 13th, but I think it is. I'm gonna be doing a 1-day video here, guys, because as you can see, I'm heading to work this morning. It's like 6:30. Don't look at that clock. That clock's wrong. But it's like 6:30 this morning. I don't own a pickup truck anymore. So if you remember, if you watched my videos a couple videos back, I said there was something big going on in personal life. That's what it was. I ended up selling that truck. I got a pretty good price for it, and I'm looking at getting something else. And with diesel being $6 a gallon right now, I'm really not complaining about the fact that I got rid of it. The world is going through absolutely crazy times right now. Yeah, crazy shit. But today, heading to the yard, my V10 right now. I got a bunch of fence stock in the back of my truck right now. Me and Nestor are gonna be doing a fence. After the fence, as long as everything goes according to plan, I'm supposed to be picking up my other truck today. So I kind of figured it'd be cool to do like a 1-day video between work, telling you about what happened with my GM, sold it, and then going to pick up the new truck hopefully later today. And I'll try and get some of that on footage when the time comes, because I feel like that would kind of be cool to see me picking up the truck. But anyways, we'll see you guys down the yard. Alright, what's going on, guys? We're back. I didn't film much down the yard. It was a clusterfuck average Monday morning. Just wanted to let you know how today's going so far. We're about 2 hours into the day. It's 9 o'clock, and I got the 5-man cleanup crew working on 4 houses. They are self-sufficient today. Everything's good there. The walker, for some reason, we had like 6 grand worth of work to it done a couple days ago, and now it's idling weird, so I guess we're gonna have to figure that out. But other than that, that crew's doing self-sufficient. And then me and my helper were supposed to be working together today on 2 jobs to try and get them done as quick as possible, so that way I can go buy my new truck. And for the second time since he started 2 weeks ago, he no-called, no-showed. All right, guys. Well, I'm back. It's much later. It's like 11 o'clock right now. I'm not having a great day. This machine has been doing great, though. I will give it that. Other than that, today's kind of been crap. In total over here we got 2 full segments, and then what else? 2 full segments, and then a gate. Oh, and then a partial segment that's gonna have to go in. Hey guys, what's going on? It is noon on April 16th. I haven't seen you guys in a while. I figured I'd give you guys the rundown right away. Ended up selling my Denali. Just waiting on, I found a truck that I'm gonna buy. Just waiting on all the logistics to line up. Hopefully today or tomorrow I'll be picking up my new truck, which I'll be revealing probably later at the end of this video. I was planning on doing 2 videos this week, but I just couldn't pull it together. On a personal note, After 13 amazing years, we ended up putting down my Bulldog Diesel last night, which was really fucking hard. And if it's alright with you guys, I'm gonna put a quick slideshow in here to shed some spotlight on Diesel. So without further ado, here's a little slideshow of Diesel. So that was Diesel, that was my pup. We got him when I was 9. Now, 13 years later, here we are. Fucking sucks putting a dog down. Anybody who's gone through it knows what I'm talking about. Yesterday was my first time. And it took a while for me to get this on video without actually crying. But I was able to hold myself together on this take. But what a great dog. Great family dog, just all around fucking great dog. But we'll love him, we'll miss him, and yeah, I mean, he was the best fucking thing ever. But we're doing some cleanups today, and wanted to do some videoing today. Might be leaving early today to go pick up my truck, just waiting on the guy to text me back. But without further ado, let's go finish the day off for Diesel. Alright, just after lunch, doing our third cleanup. That truck definitely has Ford brakes.
You should hear mine. I'll just
Lock uno segundo.
Mira, muy suave.
Yeah. Ahí está.
Mucha fuerza.
Yeah.
Strong.
Este camión sí.
Yo compré una máquina que le tendría que quitar pelo. No quiere ser.
También tiene.
Yeah.
No, ¿ves?
Alrighty. Another done deal. Just walking around making sure we didn't leave any tools or anything forgotten. They got down into that crevice under the deck. Yep. Cool. Looks like everything got done. Right up into the corners. Everything good. Everything is good in the hood. Look how beautiful this thing's coming in. Yeah, it looks like everything's good. Mulched a little bit that needed mulching. You know, I'm not saying anything, but I think Hatfield itself needs to buy one of these long body trucks like this. The company, I should say, is renting this off of me, and while number 3's gone, the 11 Ford. And this is a great mulch truck. You can do 10-12 yards easy. Weight wise, you can really only do like 7-8 yards of black mulch, but when you're doing hemlock, you can load that thing to the brim. It's like if you guys ever get hemlock deliveries to your yards or anything, they'll actually deliver all the way up to like 80-90 yards of hemlock, whereas when it comes to them delivering dark mulch, they'll only deliver about 60 yards in a tractor trailer. So it's just a lot more dense, but turning out to be a great mulch truck. All right, it's the end of Thursday the 16th. We're just wrapping up with our last property out of 3 properties up in Middleton. And grass truck, or I should say the debris truck with the trailer, and then the brush truck are leaving right now. This truck's getting ready to leave. This is the hemlock truck, and then this has been the black mulch truck. ¿Qué pasa? Chigwil? ¿Qué, Torito?
Torito, yeah.
¿Qué?
Same name the driver.
¿De qué?
Will, no?
Oh, yeah, Will.
Yeah, Torito.
Yeah, Torito.
Yeah,
Te llama es Will, yeah?
yeah.
Yeah. Julito. Wilfredo.
Wilfredo.
Yeah. Pone eso más arriba. Yeah. Profesionales. ¿Tú sabes de dónde? Yeah, okay. Hemlock truck out. I gotta get the U-joint fixed on that truck. It's squeaking. I think tomorrow I'm gonna try and get out early on a Friday and just do mud flaps on that, and then maybe do a U-joint on it if I have time. You'll hear it when it drives by. Oh, now it's not gonna squeak. Why would it be any other way?